What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, and today I'm bringing you a new arrival. Just got this car in, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this car. First off, as you can see, I have this car running. It runs beautifully and it looks beautiful. This is a very special car. Under the hood, ZZ4 crate engine, small block. It's got headers, serpentine drive setup. The engine bay, this is a straight up show car. Engine bay is show quality. The whole car is, as you can see, runs great. Beautiful orange color, like an orangish copper. Side pipes. This car has over $100,000 in work done to it. Torque thrust wheels all the way around, shaved door handles. As you can see, here's a brief overview here. Backup cameras, air ride suspension, power windows, PlayStation 3 on board too. Pretty cool. Four-wheel disc brakes. I have underneath photos. You can see how clean the underneath is. You can eat off of the underneath of this car. It is a show car, but this thing drives great. 4-speed manual with a gear vendor overdrive, which makes it a 8-speed. As you can see, runs great. Here's our climate controls there, air conditioning and heat. It's got a digital dash. I do have an inspection on this car that shows what works, what doesn't. Do that with all of our cars. Fully custom interior with a tan color. I do have a picture of this board here which tells you a lot about the car. I mean, you could just see all the whole description here. Let's just leave that here. The windows are on a remote. Right on there. Just awesome. Everything works flawlessly. Pioneer radio, touchscreen. An awesome sound system. This car was meant to be driven. They built it to show, but it also drives really good. Really nice. 12-bolt underneath. Let's go ahead and open the trunk with the remote. As you can see, the trunk, very, very nice. Got your amplifier, and then you got your PS3 there. At the time, when this car was done in 2008, this was the most recent gaming console at the time. And everything works as it should. With like the windows and the door poppers and all that. And then back here, you see you got your power window switches. Get your TVs back there. Just an awesome car. And then down here you got your overdrive switch concealed in that panel. Just an awesome car. And the interior is very tastefully done. It's custom but tasteful. Just a beautiful, beautiful build. Whoever did this build, I mean, they knew what they were doing. This is a one-of-a-kind car. You're not going to find another one like it, that's for sure. If you are interested in this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, please give us a call at 847-848-1850. This car is located in Addison, Illinois, at our beautiful warehouse. 200 cars that we own. Stop on by. 847-848-1850. Send your zip code to that phone number for an enclosed shipping quote. We offer enclosed, bonded, and insured shipping, as well as special financing with great monthly payments. So give us a call. Visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. Once again, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. And I know you'll be coming here, checking out some of our beautiful cars. And you'll see something you want because we got something for everyone. And if we don't have it yet, we will eventually. We get new cars in almost every day. My name is Mr. Jenkins. It's been a pleasure showing you this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. I will see you here soon. Remember, folks, this car sure looks good here, but it will look a whole lot better in your garage. See you soon, everybody. Have a great day. Mr. Jenkins out.